I've got some amazing news. Resiners have a Black Friday deal on their Clear Space air purifier. If you work with resin, you need to hear this and seriously think about checking this out. It is an amazing deal. I've been using the purifier for months now, and I honestly never work in my studio without it on. The moment I start mixing or heating resin or doing anything with resin, it instantly senses those invisible fumes and ramps up to clear the air. I've shown this in lots of videos before. It is just amazing. I've even tested it against an independent air monitor I bought from the US, and the Clear Space purifier was more sensitive to TVOCs than the monitor, and that monitor cost me a lot of money. When you heat resin with fumes, it spikes fast and goes to red. This purifier catches those fumes almost instantly, and you can feel confident that the special filter is clearing the air of those TVOCs. This filter is not a carbon-based filter. Carbon-based filters store the VOCs, where this one is specifically designed for this product, and it breaks them down into harmless particles. And after a while, the air in here feels so much cleaner. It's quiet, it's lightweight, and has a timer, so it keeps working even after I've left the studio. Now, this doesn't replace PPE. I still wear gloves and a proper mask, but together it's a no-brainer for peace of mind. If you want to stop fumes getting out of your studio or your working area affecting your kids, your house, your pets, then this is a must-have. The normal price is $179.99, but for Black Friday, Resiners have dropped it to just $149.99. That's an amazing deal for something that keeps your studio and you healthier. Check out the information I've got here and be sure to take advantage of this brilliant deal.